Welcome to GSL Gym City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk around video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the very well equipped Chevrolet Trail Boss, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, transmission dial up top, push button 4x4, and then our lighting options with fog lights and in-bed lighting. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We do have cruise control and audio controls on there as well. Column shifter with push button ignition. 8-inch touchscreen. You have your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, phone connectivity, as well as your dual zone climate control there. We do have audio buttons, and then again your dual zone climate control with heated seat buttons. You have your integrated trailer braking system, parking sensors, auto stop start. You can drop the tailgate from the bed, from inside the truck as well, and then your USB charging ports there. All black interior, dual glove box with locking bottom. We got the Z71 rubberized mats with the Bose audio as well, and then we have those beautiful leather seats with the black match stitching. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the beautiful gray Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package there. You can see those beautiful star pattern gloss black wheels. Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac off-road tires. We have the black colored door handles and mirror caps and window trim. Keyless entry as well. We have the off-road Silverado running boards. Nice metallic metal running boards. Z71, this is the Trail Boss, so you do have the factory 2-inch lift in the front, leveling out the stance of the truck, a little bit bigger than your conventional 1500. Coming to the rear here, you got your Trail Boss decal, LED tail lamps, blacked out bumpers as well with the dual chrome exhaust tips. Beautiful. Looking at the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats there are car seat ready, as well as they do have in-seat storage. Lots of room in there. 60/40 split, extra room on the ground with the rubberized mats. Rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom up top. We have LED dome lighting, and then the sunroof up front there as well. And USB charging ports in the back of the truck for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. This is your next V8 full-sized crew cab pickup truck. Come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.